Are you a beginner in affiliate marketing? This video will help you get started. You don't need to have any prior experience for these strategies to work, so let's get started. The first step in affiliate marketing is choosing the right niche. This means finding a subject that you are passionate and knowledgeable about. Make sure the niche has a good audience, and there are products to promote. Take some time to research popular niches and see what is currently in demand. Once you have chosen your niche, you need to create quality content. This means writing blog posts, shooting videos, or recording podcasts. The content should be helpful, informative, and engaging for your audience. Make sure the content includes affiliate links and relevant product recommendations. Creating quality content alone is not enough. You also need to build an audience for the content. Use social media, email marketing, and other platforms to promote your content and grow your audience. The larger your audience, the more potential customers you can reach. The next step is choosing the right affiliate products. Look for products that are relevant to your niche, have good reviews from customers, and offer a good commission rate. You can also promote multiple products from different companies to maximize your earnings. Finally, you need to promote the affiliate products. This can be done through product reviews, sponsored posts, or by including affiliate links in your content. Make sure the promotions are honest and transparent, and always disclose when you are promoting an affiliate product. These are the best affiliate marketing strategies for beginners. Remember to choose the right niche, create quality content, build an audience, choose affiliate products carefully, and promote them ethically. With these strategies, you can start earning commissions from affiliate marketing